In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of a Genshin Impact account on your PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that as of today, you cannot manually or directly log out of a Genshin Impact account on PlayStation 4 and 5. If you open up the Paimon menu and you try to sign out from there, you will notice that there is no option to do so. Even if we go to the account's security settings over here at the Genshin Impact HiOver's website, you will notice that we can see the PSN link over here. As you can see, I don't have one, but if you have, it's going to say linked to PSN, but there's not going to be the option to unlink it manually. The only way that you can unlink a PlayStation Network account from Genshin Impact and consequently sign out of PlayStation 5 is by sending an email to the Genshin Impact customer support. So using this email address that you can see over here, genshin_cs@hiovers.com, copy this email and send an email to them with the subject PlayStation 5 account and link or PlayStation 5 sign out. They will give you a response with a form that looks like this. In that form, you will have to include a lot of personal information like your user ID if you ever bought anything inside Genshin Impact, and after you provide all of the necessary information, they will be able to assist you. Like I said, since there isn't a way to manually sign out of an account, you need to contact the customer support for them to log out for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of a Genshin Impact account on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.